Welcome back guys, welcome back to BitByte Crypto. I hope everyone doing well with this current market situation because market is already bullish and everyone hopefully enjoying the bullish trend and have some profit on their crypto backs or their So in this video I am going to discuss about some type of tokens, like it's called a rebase token, or there is a supply system called elastic supply. So what is this and how it's work, and if you participate in these tokens you will get profit, or if there are some risks, I will discuss about everything in this video. So lastly, I make a video about Reddit, how you can get Reddit post karma without any ID ban or without anything. So if you don't watch that video yet, then go check it out. I hope everyone will be benefited from this video. I know this is 15 minutes video. I try to explain everything, but it took so many time for that, but hopefully everyone get benefited from that video. So this video will be about Rebase token. So what is Rebase token and how this works, I will explain everything in this video. And secondly, next there will be a video within 2 days or within 1 day, which will be uploaded on my channel, where I will share with you some type of new tokens with the system of Rebase token, where you can earn profit with a minimum investment of $100. So if you want that video, then like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel, and that video will be uploaded within 1 or 2 days. I don't know, but I will need time for editing that, so hopefully that will be uploaded on time. So let's start the video about Rebase token after the intro. If you don't know about Rebase token, then I will explain it in simple method. Rebase token are actually targeting for an price like Amplifort, which is the best example or which is the best project for Rebase token which introduced in this market, and then Rebase token increased rapidly. Here you can see there are so many Rebase token. Okay, firstly I will explain what is Rebase token. For an example, I will draw 3 boxes. Okay, in here 90. Let me finish this first. 1.00 and okay, this is the simple example. So let's start out the Rebase tokens. So for an example, Amplifort, these projects start with the Rebase functionality. So Rebase tokens are simple. They target for an price like $1. So their target will be that their token price will be always $1. So what's happen if it increase to 1.10 or if it decrease to 0.90? So here comes the circulating supply. Their circulating supply are not fixed. It will depend on the price of that token. So basically, if the token price increase, then their circulating supply will be increased, and if their token price decreased, then their circulating supply will be decreased. So if you have 100 worth of Amplifort, so I am taking Amplifort for this example. So if you have $100 worth of Amplifort and its price increase to 1.10, then their circulating supply will be increased and you will get reward for that price pump or price increasement. So if the price increase to 1.10, then your total amount worth of portfolio will be $110 if the price of that project or Amplifort is increased. And on the other hand, if the price of that Amplifort or that project decreased to 0.90, so circulating supply will be decreased and token will be deducted from your portfolio. Like you have $100 worth of token and their target is $1, but they decrease to 0.90. So your final balance will be $90. So this is the simple example for Rebase token. So I hope you have understood. So rebase tokens are basically they target for a price like $1, or if they target for an Ethereum price which is equivalent of $1, then they will target for that, and if the price increase, then circulating supply will be increased and your portfolio will be your portfolio also will increase and you will get return in of that. On the other hand, there is a risk. The risk is if the price decreased and circulating supply will be decreased, on as a result some tokens from your portfolio will be deducted. So this is the simple example of rebase token. There is some possibility that if whales come into this project or participate on this project and they get huge number of token in reward, they will try to sell this token and the token price will be decreased and all the low investor will be in great danger. So like if I click on Ampleforth, I will show you this chart for this trading chart and price chart. You will see here, you can see price before June the price was almost close to $1. So when the DeFi market hype is increased, and you can see the price of Ampleforth almost get into 3.83. So in that time everyone get huge return because target price was $1, but the price of the Ampleforth was in July $3.83. So everyone get huge return or 3x 4x in one day. So it's in one day they get 3x return for this. So as a result, in here you can see the price of Ampleforth on August, you can see 0.59, almost half a dollar it get, and everyone was in great loss because of that. Then it started to recover its price. Then again it's August 31, you can see the price was September 1 or August 31, price was 2.17. Then again is jumped to 0.82. So this is the basically risk. If the price increase, you will get return, but if the price is decrease, then you will lose some token from your portfolio. So I hope everyone understand what are rebase tokens and how this works. So I forgot to mention that rebase tokens are their functionality works for 24 hours. Like if the rebase happen now, then we need to wait for 24 hours for the next rebase token. If there is a price pump on that token, then that will be called as positive rebase and you will get reward for that. If the price dump and everything like supply will be decreased and your token will be deducted from your wallet, personal wallet, so that's called negative rebase. You need to focus on the price of that token. Okay, in here you can see how does it works. When price greater than $1, wallet balance increase proportionally, or what I say, that's the main point, that will be the positive rebase. But when price is less than $1, then the wallet balance decrease proportionally with the percentage of the decreasement. So I hope everyone understand what's our rebase token, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay safe, stay home.